Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee for weight loss. To start, understand that black coffee is your best friend. It has virtually no calories, unlike sugary lattes or cream-filled concoctions. Coffee can also give your metabolism a temporary boost, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. The key is to keep it simple and pure. When choosing your coffee, opt for high-quality, unflavored beans. Freshly ground coffee often tastes better and retains more beneficial compounds. Simple brewing methods, like a French press or pour-over, are excellent choices. Remember, the goal is to keep it clean. If black is too strong, a small splash of unsweetened almond milk is a good alternative. To further enhance your coffee's weight loss benefits, consider a few additions. A pinch of cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is great for managing cravings. Some people also add a small amount of MCT oil for sustained energy and increased satiety. Drinking your coffee about 30 minutes before a workout can also help boost fat oxidation during exercise. While coffee can be a helpful tool, moderation is key. Aim for 2 to 3 cups daily to avoid potential side effects like jitters or sleep disruption. Remember, coffee is not a substitute for water. Staying well hydrated is crucial for overall health and weight management. For a great way to keep up your water intake, check out the Oala water bottle link in the description, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.